addition of more than two vectors. Addition of more than two vectors. For two vectors, we use polygon method for this. Polygon method. Suppose vector A, it is in this direction 40 meter. B, making an angle 30 degree with A 20 meter. Then 10 meter, then 30 meter, and we have to find the resultant of all these. See, first of all, see, we'll take scale 10 meter equals 1 centimeter. We may start from any vector, from B, from C, from D, from E, from A. I am starting from A. So 10 meter 1 centimeter, 40 meter, so I will draw a line of 4 centimeters. Okay, and then what is the angle between A and B? Proceed it a bit, and then making an angle 30 degree with the direction of A. We have to draw a line. How much? This is B, 2 centimeter. Then proceed it. What is the angle between B and C? 60. So making an angle 60 degree with the direction of B, will draw a line C. And what is the length of this line? 1 centimeter. It's okay? 1 centimeter. This is C. Once again we proceed it. Huh? And what is the angle between B and C? Here 30, here 30. So here what is the angle? 120. So from here 120 degree angle. How much? 120 degree. What is the length of this line? 3 centimeter. Because the magnitude is 3 meter. And then finally E. What is the angle between this B and E? 30 and 90. 30 and 90, 120. So this is E. This is E. What is the length of line E? Because its magnitude is 50. So 5 centimeter. This is E. Now what was the initial point? Here. What is the final point? Here. So this is R equals A plus B plus C plus D plus E. This vector represents, now measure this length. Suppose if it is 3 centimeter. Measure this angle. Suppose it is 35 degree. So we will say 30 meter making an angle 35 degree with the direction of E. Got it? 30 meter making an angle 30 degree with the direction of E. Suppose we have to go on the subtraction. How to subtract the vectors? Subtraction of vectors. Subtraction of, this is A, this is B, and this angle is theta. Suppose theta equals 60 degree, A 40 meter and B 30 meter. Scale I will take 10 meter equals, so 40 meter, 4 centimeter and 30 meter, 3 centimeter. Suppose you have to find R equals A minus B. We can write it R equals A plus, and what is the meaning of minus B? Minus B means what? A vector equal in magnitude of 30 meter, but opposite to the direction of B. Means this is minus B. Now what is the angle between A and minus B? This is 1. What is the angle between A and minus B? This is 120 degree. Simple. Do the addition of A and minus B. See, first of all A. What is the length of line A? 44 centimeter. Proceed it, and then 120 degree from here. 120 degree with the direction of A. This is minus B. What is the length of this line? 3 centimeter. And this you join. This R equals A minus B. This R equals A minus B. And if you want to find this one b minus a, then this is minus, yes, b minus a. Suppose you have to find r dash equals b minus a. R dash equals b minus a. See, first of all, b. What is the direction of b? What is the magnitude of b? 30, so 3 centimeter. Proceed it. And now what is the angle between b and a? 120 degree. So from here, 120 degree. This is what? 120. And in this direction, the length is 4 centimeter. Now join this. This is r dash equals b minus a. You can, if you measure this, then the length of these two vectors will be same, but their directions will be opposite. It means vector r and mod r dash both are same, is a minus b and b minus a. Both are equal in magnitude, but a minus b and b minus a. These are two opposite vectors, so a minus b is equal to minus b minus a. Yes, this is subtraction of two vectors.